Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Basshead Garage. Today we are going to be doing an O2 sensor. So yes guys, we are going to be doing an O2 sensor, not on the RX-7, not on my Chevy, but on toy. This is the first part that I'm going to have to replace. It's doing like the 3 lines, and basically whenever I start it early in the morning when I go to work, it starts off fine. I can see the gauge going 13, 14, 15, and then 3 dots. So gauge is working. I want to test and see if O2 sensor, we're going to be doing the calibration also, hopefully. But let me go get some tools and let's put this in. This one doesn't say Bosch anywhere around on it. This one does. I'll put the part number up on the screen right now. Guys, I did some messing around and now we're doing 14.1, 14.2, 7. It's jumping around a little bit, but when I give it some throttle, sorry for like the LEDs. It's on a 13, back up to 14. When I'm at it. Yep, that's about right. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. This is a kind of a short video to just get something out for you guys. I wanted to get this this fixed because I didn't like seeing the 3 lines. So I'll post a link to the exact one I have. Be wary about the sensor, because the one I have right here, there's no Bosch marking on it at all, and you're supposed to get a Bosch O2 sensor. So after a year of owning this, I am going to go on to Amazon, that's where I got it from, and post my review saying that I did not get Bosch O2 sensor. I just got a generic one. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, hopefully when I put on the new header for the RX-7. See ya.